Full-time or part-time freelance jobs are becoming the norm in our present-day society. With technological progress at its peak, working from home has become more manageable and requires only the most basic of equipment. Looking at the rise in this trend, there are more people than before turning to freelance work. However, one needs to realize that it is not an easy task. A person must be at the top of their game if they eventually want to earn a substantial income this way. An excellent aspect of freelancing is that it covers a significant number of business fields. However, there are a few professions that are more suited to working from home than others. Content writing, graphic designing, online sales, virtual assistants are excellent opportunities to make money without leaving the home. On a part-time basis, playing online casinos, taking surveys and blogging can also work as hobbies that pay well. In the end, though irrespective of the job, a person must invest some time and energy if they really want to become an ace freelancer. Expand your portfolio. If you want to be successful in freelancing, it is very essential to focus on one area of expertise and work on it until you are the best. However, if you desire job security, which has always been an issue with freelancers, then you must work toward expanding your portfolio. Even if you have one of the highest paying freelancing jobs, the market is so volatile that you can end up jobless within days. A way to avoid this is to work with multiple clients, but also work across fields. Use your free time to learn new jobs so that you can switch from one to another should the need ever arise. Create a workspace. Work from home has its own set of advantages and disadvantages. For one thing, you can get up and get working in minutes. Some might find the ease of not having to change or the idea of working from bed enticing. However, if you want to be productive, treat your work from home just like as an office job. This means make a schedule and do your work during fixed business hours. Dress up in the morning, avoiding clothes that are too comfortable. Lastly, create a separate space for yourself and let people in your family know not to disturb when you are working. Mind your money. An area of worry for freelancers is putting their hard-earned money to good use. To start with, you must learn the basics of budgeting so that you don't end up spending more than what you earn. Moreover, it is equally pertinent to save a part of your salary for a rainy day. However, many freelancers find that by investing a part of their money in ventures like fixed deposits and funds that can turn that cash into passively growing wealth that does not require much work. Be professional. When freelancing from home, you are bound to communicate a lot with people on emails and via phone. Unlike in real life situations, the opposite person in the most cases cannot see you and they are not privy to your facial expressions. Therefore, when sending an email or conversing on the phone, it is vital to keep your tone and language easy to understand. Be professional about your approach and keep things as straightforward as possible to avoid any miscommunication.